Hi, my name is Ajaykumar. I'm going to presentation. I will elaborate on research statement. How do biofertilizers influence both soil and the productivity of red chili crop, capsicum, annum? So further this presentation, I'm gonna focus on how biofertilizers can enhance soil health and productivity and in the red chili cultivation as this is increasingly important to conserve soil fertility inputs in agriculture. Before understand the relevance or importance of the research question, I would like to light on what are the biofertilizers, why soil health is important for red chili crop. To start with, biofertilizers or which can be defined as formulations comprised of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, algae, namely Azotobacter, Rhizobium, blue-green algae. They are either a single strain or a multiple strains that promote plant growth by increasing nutrient availability and acquisition. The commercial history of biofertilizers dates back to 1895. The nitrogen binobab and hinted with laboratory culture of Rhizobium species. Despite their numerous advantages and low cost, the commercialization of biofertilizers is not widespread due to inconsistent process of over different soils, crops, and environmental responses over different soils, crops, and environmental conditions. Practical aspects related to mass production, shelf life, which leaves a research gap to ever large scale commercial production and use of biofertilizers. If we take a look at the figure on the right side, it illustrates the different categories or components of biofertilizers. At the center is biofertilizers, and surrounding it, it has six related terms, each with a representing a distinct type of formulation associated with bacterial inoculants, bacterial fertilizers, bacillus formulations, and microbial inoculants. These inoculants are specially designed for specific targets, which means each of the type we will have unique functions for the process. So we're gonna look at to slide 3. Soil is uppermost layer of the earth crust and forms the foundation for agriculture and other human activities. It is natural dynamic mixture of organic matter, gases, water and living organisms that supports to plants and animal life. So it is essential for many ecological processes. In this context, soil is primarily focused. It is fixed referred as soil health to capacity of soil function as a vital living ecosystem supporting plant, animal and human life. It is encompasses the physical, chemical and biological properties of the soil that influence its ability provide the essential ecosystem services like nutrient cycling, water infiltration, and biodiversity. Soil health is determined by a variety of factors, including contents, erosion, loss of organic matter, which can be imbalances, salinization, contamination, acidification, loss of biodiversity. So we can look into the fruit side. I'm sure I have introduced the two components clearly and their significance to the research question stand grounds. If we take a look at the picture, it illustrates the nutrient pathways between microbes, nutrients, and a plant. It is comprehensive illustration of the mechanisms by which biofertilizers and soil microbes enhance nutrient availability of and uptake by plants. It shows the mechanism of different microbial activities which is showing on the figure. Understanding the phases in the diagram helps reduce the chemical fertilizers, facilitate equilibrium between nutrient availability and its uptake by the roots. So help analyzes health which is a critical junction for understanding the importance of research question. This research is significant due to growing concerns over soil degradation from chemical fertilizers which disrupts the microbial diversity and reduce long-term fertility. So we're gonna look at the fifth slide. Red chili is an economically sensitive crop which is sensitive to soil quality and nutrient depletions, making them ideal for evaluating biofertilizers impact. During the plant growth period, the crop undergoes fertilizers burn it, and it is a state when excessive chemical fertilizers is applied which negatively impacts on the red chili crop, leading to issues like reduced yield and quality, delayed maturity, and even toxicity to the plants. While fertilizers can initially benefit a boost to other overuse disrupt the plant nutrients and biochemical fertilizers with fertilizer consumption 547 kgs per hectare of nutrient. So I would like to recall microbial inner cleanse, which is from applying site to red chili crop. Each of the biofertilizers in used microorganisms are tailored for target specific activities. So we're gonna look at the science stage, understanding the impact of biofertilizers on soil health and crop yield. We can interrupt the working mechanism of biofertilizers in slide 1, where the mechanism provides a basic understanding that soil is the medium to get absorbed by the plant and development. Using site the specific biofertilizers on red chili plant, firstly soil health is improved by increased microbial activity, the enzyme reactions. In coming to the effects on red chili plant is observed the biofertilizers combined with PGR plant growth promoting rhizobacteria enhance the fruit quality and made the plant disease resistant while yield per plant is increased. The statement identifies phosphates are crucial for red chili plant due to firstly functions biofertilizers can be applied to the plant and in the slide 7. While biofertilizers offer many benefits, they do have some limitations like slow nutrient release and sensitivity to environmental conditions and a short shelf life. Their effectiveness can vary depending on the crop and the soil and even shortest conditions. Also, farmers reduced need some technical knowledge to apply them correctly. So, future research is already working to solve the challenges. Scientists are developing stress tolerant strains or longer lasting formulations and crop conditions. And we can look at the slides 8. This research is important for justice for scientific reasons, but also from an ethical and environmental point of view, especially in the context of sustainable agriculture and soil conservation. While chemical quickly give results, they tend to pollution and loss of microorganisms in the soil. So biofertilizers are more often natural and eco-friendly products. They help plants grow by improving the soil health and microbiome. Importantly, the practice supports the unsustainable development of the SDGs zero hunger, which is attained by the. So this research empowers smallholder farmers while promoting the climatic resilient cropping systems. In conclusion, to the presentation, applicant of the biofertilizers offers a dual benefit. It enhances the application of biofertilizers dual global sustainability targets. Biofertilizers are a powerful red chili cultivation where nutrient demands are high hand red chili cultivation sustainable to enhance soil health and crop productivity. This research encourages a shift towards regenerative and environmentally. This research, lastly, I'm delighted to give the presentation on my research question. If any questions regarding, you may ask. Feel free to. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.